Hey everybody and welcome back. I'm going to make today's video very quick. I'm going to show you a super quick demo of what we're going to be doing. So we're going to build a program that will take an Excel file and immediately build an image out of that Excel file, which you will then be able to save. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to jump into ChatGPT, which I used to build this, and this is just one of many different examples. Now I will also put a link in the description to a video covering how to make an executable file, kind of like a program, from a Python app, as well as how to host a web app online that's a Python app. So let's jump in. I made my code very simple. Write me Python code that makes an image with a bar graph from a given Excel file. Then you'll see it gave me this sample code, and then basically just a couple of notes here. And then I didn't want to get dummy data, so I said now give me sample data for this. So let's break this down. First up, I have my Excel file, and you'll see that I have simply copied the data here. And then you'll see that I said write the Python code to have a UI that allows the user to select the file. So what I've done is I'm going to click copy code here, and then you'll see I had an error which showed me that I just had a misspelling. So let's go ahead and go into our app here, and to make it simple, just to prove we don't need to know how to do code, we're going to start from scratch. So we're going to put new file, and this is using Visual Studio, but you can also run this online, typically using Replit, but you may need some modifications. So we're just going to paste in our code, click this button here, and we're just going to type in some random letters.py. When we click save, we're going to get this tiny window here. And you'll see that this is obviously not the most attractive, but the reason I specified a user interface is because now we have the ability to click here, select an Excel file, and we now get this graph. Now, if we wanted to change these numbers up a bit, maybe we wanted to say, let's just say we wanted to add in a couple of different letters. And then here we wanted to add in more numbers. Now we'll click Save, and then we'll go select the Excel file, and we'll choose that same file. And you'll see now this has changed. We can even click Save, Desktop, and we'll just click Save there. And then when we go to our desktop, you'll see we have Figure 1, and the image opens here. Now this is just one of many examples. You could obviously set this up and change it to do different types of graphs or add in additional functionality, but this was something that was very simple. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box below, and I'll see you all in the next video.